Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide story on Snapchat in iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your Snapchat. Let's say for example you had a story like this one, right? And you want to hide it from everyone. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and hit send right here. Basically, you have two options, my public story or my friend's story. And you can just go ahead and click my friends only because you want to hide it from anybody else. If you want it to be in public, that means that only the public, or the people, the majority of people that follows you or added you as a friend, they will see or have access to that story. Now what I'm gonna do, you can see right here I clicked this add or friends only. Now if you want to know who your friends are and everything, go back right here to your screen, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on the chat, or sorry, click on the camera at the bottom right corner or bottom middle, and click on the Bitmoji at the top right. Basically scroll a little bit down, and here you're gonna be able to see this is your friends, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and see add to my story public, okay? And you can see auto save to my memories, and you can see right here add to my story private, and here it says new shared story and everything. Just go ahead right here, it says camera roll and everything. Just go ahead right here, it says new private story if you want to create a new private story, or click the three dots to click story settings right here. Basically changing your story settings will apply to all future snaps that you add. Hit OK, and basically you can just go ahead and click the customs right here, and you can select the people that you want to hide the story from. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.